Beneath the frozen surface of Jupiter's moon Europa lies an ocean twice the size of all of Earth's oceans combined. And in 2024, scientists discovered something in that ocean, something that's moving, something that responds to magnetic fields, something that shouldn't exist 390 million miles from the sun. NASA is going back, and they're bringing equipment designed to detect one thing: life. Europa, one of Jupiter's 95 known moons. From a distance, it looks peaceful, beautiful even. A smooth ball of ice reflecting Jupiter's light. But look closer. The entire surface is covered in cracks, scars, lines that stretch for hundreds of miles across the ice, as if something beneath is trying to break through. For decades, scientists suspected Europa was hiding something. Subtle observations, strange magnetic readings, odd surface features that didn't make sense. Then, in the late 1990s, the Galileo spacecraft made a series of flybys, and what it discovered changed everything we thought we knew about where life could exist. Here's what terrifies and excites scientists in equal measure. Beneath Europa's frozen crust, which is about 10 to 15 miles thick, lies a global ocean. Not a lake, not a sea, an ocean that completely encircles the moon. It's 40 to 100 miles deep. That's deeper than Earth's deepest ocean, and it contains 2 to 3 times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. But here's the question that keeps astrobiologists awake at night. How is this ocean not frozen solid? Europa is 390 million miles from the sun. The surface temperature is minus 260 degrees Fahrenheit. At that distance, everything should be frozen, dead, lifeless. Yet, Europa's ocean is liquid, warm, possibly even heated by volcanic vents on the ocean floor, just like the ones on Earth that support entire ecosystems in complete darkness. The reason? Tidal heating. Europa orbits Jupiter in an elliptical path, not a perfect circle. Sometimes it's closer to Jupiter, sometimes farther away. Jupiter's gravity is immense, 2.5 times stronger than Earth's. As Europa orbits, Jupiter's gravity squeezes and stretches the moon, constantly, relentlessly. This flexing generates heat through friction, massive amounts of heat. It's like bending a paperclip back and forth rapidly. Eventually, the metal gets hot. Europa experiences this on a planetary scale, every single day, for billions of years. This heat keeps the ocean liquid, but it does something else, something more important. It creates energy. And where there's liquid water and energy, life becomes possible. On Earth, we've discovered life thriving in the most extreme environments imaginable. In boiling acid pools, in frozen Antarctic lakes, in complete darkness miles below the ocean's surface, surviving on chemical energy from volcanic vents. If life can exist there, why not Europa? But the discovery that changed everything came in 2013. The Space Telescope detected something incredible: water plumes. Geysers of liquid water erupting from Europa's surface, shooting over 100 miles into space before falling back down as snow. These aren't small leaks. These are massive eruptions of ocean water punching through miles of ice, escaping into space. Why does this matter? Because if we can fly a spacecraft through those plumes, we can sample Europa's ocean without ever landing, without drilling through miles of ice. We can catch actual ocean water and analyze it for signs of life. And in 2024, the James Webb Space Telescope made another discovery. It detected carbon dioxide on Europa's surface. Fresh carbon dioxide, recently exposed from the ocean below. Carbon is the foundation of all life as we know it, and it's coming from Europa's ocean. But here's where it gets strange, where it gets unsettling. During its flybys, Galileo detected something odd in Europa's magnetic field, an induced magnetic field, one that shouldn't exist unless there's something conductive beneath the ice. Salt water is conductive. An ocean of salt water would create exactly this kind of magnetic signature. But there was another anomaly: brief fluctuations, patterns that didn't match the expected readings. Some scientists believe these could be caused by differences in water salinity, temperature variations, ocean currents. But others noticed something else. The fluctuations had structure. They weren't random. They appeared in specific regions, near the plumes, near the warmest areas, as if something large was moving through the water, disrupting the magnetic field. Now, to be clear, this is speculation. These fluctuations likely have a geological explanation: ocean circulation, tidal forces, subsurface ice movements. But the fact that we're even asking the question, could something be swimming in Europa's ocean, tells you how seriously scientists take this possibility. If life exists in Europa's ocean, what would it look like? Scientists don't expect to find fish or anything resembling Earth's complex life. The ocean has been isolated from sunlight for billions of years. No photosynthesis, no plants. But Earth has taught us that life doesn't need sunlight. At hydrothermal vents in our deepest oceans, entire ecosystems thrive on chemosynthesis. Bacteria that eat chemicals, hydrogen sulfide, methane, iron, and convert them into energy. These bacteria form the base of a food chain that includes shrimp, tube worms, crabs, even fish, all surviving in complete darkness, all powered by Earth's internal heat. Europa has internal heat, it has water, it likely has the same chemicals. It's had 4 billion years for chemistry to become biology. The most likely scenario: microbes. Bacteria-like organisms clustered around volcanic vents, eating chemicals, slowly reproducing in the darkness. Earth went from bacteria to complex life in less than 4 billion years. Europa has had the same amount of time. NASA's Europa Clipper mission launched in October 2024. It will arrive at Jupiter in 2030. Its mission? Determine if Europa has conditions suitable for life and, if possible, detect actual biosignatures. If this possibility fascinates you, subscribe to Enigma Decoded. Next video, we're exploring the Mariana Trench, Earth's deepest point, where creatures survive in conditions that rival Europa's ocean. And after that, we're decoding the mystery of Saturn's moon Titan, the only moon in our solar system with liquid lakes, except those lakes aren't water. I'm Enigma Decoded. Keep questioning reality.